Lesson 1, Class 9th. Today we are going to learn how to represent root 5 on the number line by spiral method. Here I am taking 4 centimeter as 1 unit. Now I will draw a number line by taking 4 centimeter as 1 unit. And this is my 4 centimeter as 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. Here you have to draw an arrow. So this is my 0, 1, 2 and 3 on a number line. Now from 1 unit I have to draw perpendicular. And perpendicular we all know, first 60 and then 120, after that bisector. And here you will join. And then always take 4 centimeter as unit to take perpendicular. आप कितने भी उसका लेंगे perpendicular की unit same होगी. So here I am marking this as this point as A and this point as B. I will join. And extend this line also. अब आप देखिए कि आपका ये 1 यूनिट है और ये 1 यूनिट है, देन OB is going to be root 2. This is my root 2. But how I am getting this as a root 2? Because I am applying in triangle OAB Pythagoras theorem. Here OB square equals to OA square plus AB square, 1 square plus 1 square, and we all know 1 plus 1 is 2. So OB is root 2 by Pythagoras theorem. And then I have to represent on a number line also. So I will put up a needle on O point and pencil on B point. Wherever it is intersecting, that point becomes my root 2. Then again draw perpendicular from B point. And you have to be very careful in drawing a perpendicular, क्योंकि अगर ज़रा सा भी आपका 0.1 सेंटीमीटर का भी डिफरेंस आ गया, देन आपका ये कहीं ना कहीं गलत हो जाएगा. Again 60, 120, I will take a bisector, 60, 120. Then perpendicular, we all know. Again 4 centimeter arc from B point. And then join with, mark this point as C and then join with O or 0, and you have to extend this line also. Fine, this is my root 2 and this is my 1. Then by Pythagoras theorem, if you are applying in OBC, you can say COBC is my right angle triangle, and if I am applying Pythagoras theorem, then it is OC square equals to OB square plus BC square. I have written the same thing. OB was root 2 and OB is my root 2 only, and BC was 4 centimeter को हमने 1 unit लिया था, and here it is 1 square, root 2 square plus 1 square, you are getting 2 plus 1 3, and square will goes to other side of equality. It means OC is root 3. So OC is your root 3. Now again you have to represent on a number line. Needle on O point, pencil or pen on C point, but you have to do it in your copies with a pencil only. And then I will join. And this is my root 3. This point is going to be root 3. Now again draw a perpendicular from here. Semicircle, 60, 120, and then bisector of 60, 60 and bisector of 120. Again I am getting 90 degree. Now I will join from C point. Again 4 centimeter arc. From where, if you are joining from here, then this is my 4 centimeter and I am marking this as a D. And this is my 1 unit, you have to remember. Again, join with 0. And you have to extend little bit. And then O point, needle on O point, and pencil or pen on D point. See, so it will intersect at 2 only. Fine. Again draw perpendicular. So this is my, it is passing almost nearly to 2, because obviously root 3 का स्क्वायर आप लोगे प्लस 1 का स्क्वायर, जब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम अप्लाई करोगे तो आपका in triangle OCD, OC square is root 3 and CD is 1. So root 3 square plus 1 square, it is 3 plus 1, and it is OD square is 4. So OD is 2. So it means you are getting OD as 2. और जब हमने इसको यहाँ से नंबर लाइन पे लिया, it is almost crossing by 2 point. Again draw perpendicular from D point. और जब भी आपको परपेंडिकुलर बनाना है, यू हैव टू एक्सटेंड हाइपोटेन्यूज. अगर आपने परपेंडिकुलर के ऊपर एक और परपेंडिकुलर बना दिया, यू वोंट गेट योर स्पाइरल. एंड देन 60, 120, देन अगेन बाइसेक्टर. आई हैव टू एक्सटेंड 4 सेंटीमीटर आर्क. यहाँ क्योंकि मैंने 2 और 3 के बीच में 4 सेंटीमीटर का डिस्टेंस लिया था, दैट्स वाई आई एम मेजरिंग ऑल द टाइम फ्रॉम हेयर. फ्रॉम डी पॉइंट, कट एन आर्क, join with 0, and then mark this as a point E. We all know this is my 2 and this is my 1. तो अगर इसमें पाइथागोरस थ्योरम लगेगी, then you are going to get like in triangle ODE, OE square equals to OD square plus DE square. OD हमारा 2 था, DE हमारा 1 था, so 2 square plus 1 equals to 4 plus 1. OE is 5. So OE is my root 5. Now again you will plot it on a number line. Needle on O point, E point पे आप needle रखोगे, sorry E point पे pencil और pen then wherever it is intersecting on a number line, that becomes my root 5. So this is my root 5. इससे पहले जो पॉइंट आया था वो तो हमारा रूट 4 था, और रूट 4 वी ऑल नो इट इज़ 2. And root 5 is approximately 2.23, that's why you are getting 2.23. Thank you.